Alright guys, this is the second part on how to edit the images with GIMP. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to install the GIMP plugin and how to install the brushes for GIMP. So first of all, you will have to go to google.com and search for DBP plugin GIMP. So you will have the first link of DBP plugin, that is David's Batch Processor. Click on it and you will be redirected to this site. So if you are using Linux, then you can install this plugin by using the link here, and if you are a Windows user, then you can download the Windows plugin for GIMP. So as I am on Windows, I am going to download this plugin. So once you have downloaded, you will have this DBP plugin. So just extract it using WinRAR or 7-zip or equivalent, and you will have this DBP exe. So just copy it and then go to Windows, then to Program Files directory, and from then go to GIMP 2. So here you will find a lib folder. Just browse it and go to GIMP, then 2.0, and here you will find a plugins directory. So go inside that plugins directory and just paste that exe. So once you have pasted it, go to GIMP and close it. So once you have restarted the GIMP, your plugin will be installed. So now you will find that plugin inside the filters, and at the end you will find that batch processor. So this is the David's Batch Processor. Here you can add the files and you can turn, blur, color, resize, crop, sharpen, rename the files to the various output formats. So this was all about installing plugin. Now I will teach you how to install the brushes. So I have a site called as gimpbrush.com. Here you can find different types of brushes and they are available for free to download. So I have selected this Sparkling Star GIMP brush. So click on the download button here. Once you have downloaded it, you will get a zip file. So here is that Sparkling Star brushes GIMP zip file. So I am going to extract it, and once I extract it, I will get this folder. I am going to rename it. It's not necessary, but you can rename it if you want. So just copy this Sparkling folder and go to your Windows, then to Program File. It depends whether you are using Windows or Linux, but you can just check the description here. Here you will find the by default directory for the brushes. So go to GIMP 2, then to share folder, then GIMP, then 2.0, and here is the brushes folder. So go inside that brushes folder and just paste the directory. So this is the Sparkling brush directory. So now close your GIMP and restart it. So once you have restarted your GIMP, you will find the brushes here. So here you can find the different brushes. So as ours were sparkling, so we will find the Sparkling brush here. So here are the Sparkling Star brushes. There are 13 Sparkling Star brushes that we have just installed. So this was all about installing brushes and plugins for the GIMP. In next tutorial I will teach you how to use them. Thanks.